Antarctica is a desert. When you think of a desert, what comes to mind? Perhaps you imagine vast stretches of hot, sandy landscapes, with camels lazily crossing sun-baked dunes under a scorching sun. While that's certainly one type of desert, did you know that the coldest, windiest place on Earth, Antarctica, is also a desert? Let's journey to this icy world and find out why. Picture a land covered in snow and ice as far as the eye can see. It's a place where penguins waddle and seals slide across the frozen ground. Yet despite all the ice and snow, Antarctica is indeed a desert. But how can that be? Here's the secret. A desert isn't just about heat. It's more about how much precipitation, like rain and snow, falls from the sky. In fact, a desert is defined as any area that receives less than 250 millimeters or about 10 inches of precipitation in a year. Antarctica receives very little precipitation. In some parts of this icy continent, it receives even less than the dry regions of the Sahara. On average, Antarctica gets less than 50 millimeters of precipitation each year. That's about 2 inches or a little bit of snow that could melt in your backyard. Now, let's think about what happens when this snow falls. In warmer regions, rain or snow melts away quickly, or plants absorb much of it. But in Antarctica, the snow stays. It's so cold all year round that when snow falls, it doesn't melt. It simply piles up over thousands of years, forming the giant ice sheets you see today. That's why you can have almost 2 miles of ice covering the land in some places in Antarctica, even though it hardly ever snows there. Isn't nature fascinating? Not only is Antarctica a desert, but it is also classified as a polar desert. Polar deserts aren't just icy places. They're shaped by the harsh, frosty winds and frigid temperatures that blow straight from the South Pole. These winds can reach up to 200 miles per hour, stronger than most hurricanes. These fierce winds blow snow up into the air, creating blizzard-like whiteouts, making it hard for anyone to see. Scientists brave these extreme conditions because Antarctica holds many secrets about our planet. They study ancient ice cores to learn about past climates and help us understand global warming. The mystery of how creatures can survive in such a tough environment also makes Antarctica special. So next time you think of a desert, remember